Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Surya Official. In this video, we will learn one of the most important concepts in HTML, that is list. I will also explain some important attribute in a super simple way. So if you are ready, then let's get started. So first let's quickly make the HTML boilerplate. For that, just type exclamation mark and press enter. So you can see HTML boilerplate has been generated. So let's discuss what is a list in HTML. In HTML, a list is just a way to show items one after another. There are three types of list: order list, unordered list, and description list. Let's learn each one of them. So let's first discuss about order list. So order list means the item will appear with numbers or letter. For example, let me write a OL tag and inside we have a list item. So here I am going to write apple. Again I am going to create another li and here it is banana, mango. So here you can see OL is stand for order list and li stand for list item. Okay, so if I save it and check it in the browser, so you can see the list is displayed in the browser. So by default it shows number, but we can change the style using the type attribute. So for that, let me create a type attribute here and let's put 1 and save it and check it. Nothing is changing here just because of by default it is number. So instead of this 1, let me put a small a. Save it and check it. Now you can observe number is changed into small alphabet. So instead of small a, let me put it capital A. To save it, now you can see it is capital letter. And we can put Roman letter also. So for that, need to put capital I, save it and check it. Now you can see the Roman number is coming here. So this is all about order list. So let's discuss about unordered list. On-order list means the item will appear with bullets instead of numbers. Let me show you some example. Let me create UL tag and inside we have a 3 list items. So let me write li into 3, press enter, it will generate 3 list item. So the first one is red, second one is blue, and the last one is green. So here UL is stand for on order list and LI is stand for list item. So if I save it and check it in the browser, you can see red, blue, green is displaying in the browser. And by default it shows a filled circle as bullets, but we can change it using the type attribute. So let me put type attribute inside this UL tag and here let's put dict. To save it and check it, nothing is changing just because of by default it is the dict. So instead of that, let me put it here circle. To save it and check it in the browser, you can see hello circle is coming out. And we can change it to square also. So if I type it square and save it and check it in the browser, so you can see it is a square. Okay, so this is all about this on order list. Let me show you the nested list. So basically, a nested list means a list inside another list. It's useful when you want to show sub items under a main item. So let me show you a shopping list example. So inside this h2 tag, let's write shopping list. And then I'm going to create a UL tag. And inside this UL tag, we need a 3 li. So li into 3. And in the first li, I'm going to write fruits. And inside this li, again I'm going to create a UL tag. And inside this UL tag, I need another 3 li. Okay, so the first list item is apple, then banana, and the last one is mango. Okay, so the next list item for the parent is vegetables. And inside, I'm going to create another UL tag. And here also, we need a 3 li. So the first list item is carrot, potato, and the last one is tomato. And the last list item for the parent is dairy. And inside this, I'm going to create a order list for this. order list, and here I need a 2 li. So li into 2, so it will generate this list item. So the first one is milk and the second one is cheese. So save it and check it in the browser. So you can see this is the example of nested list. So it is basically a list inside another list. Now let's discuss the last list, that is the description list. Description list is used when we want to show a word and its meaning. It's like a mini dictionary. So let me show you the example. So let me write DL, and inside this DL I need a DT, and again I need a DD. So here DL is stand for definition list, DT is stand for definition term, and DD is stand for definition description. So let's write it here. Definition term is HTML and the definition description is it is used to create web pages. Okay, so let's create another DT. Now it is CSS and the DD is it is used to style web pages. So here it is. Okay, so friends, in this video we learn about list in HTML, where we saw three types of list, that is order list, on-order list, and description list. In the next video we will learn about tables in HTML. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video really helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Code with Surya Official, and check out the full playlist for the complete HTML and CSS course. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and happy coding. See you in the next video.